Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you ever wondered how you can open an AXA file on your Android phone, here in this video I'm going to show you how you can open and run the AXA files on Android in 2025. Quick explanation first. So an AXA files is a Windows programs, usually apps or games that is made for PCs, and Android cannot run the AXA files natively. But don't worry, there are ways to run them using special apps. But before we start, you need to know that not all AXA files will work perfectly on Android. And here, the one that work best are light apps and old games on PC. So now let's just get started. The first method that you can do is use the AXA Gear. So AXA Gears create a virtual Windows environment on your Android device. You can just install the AXA Gear on your phone. You can find it on you can try to search it on the Play Store, AXA Gear. If you cannot find it in here, you can just download it from the official website. And after that, you can just create a Windows container. Copy your AXA file into the AXA Gear folder and tap the AXA file and run it. So this method works best for older Windows games and also apps. And the second method is use the Winlator. So I've already downloaded the app. You can download it from the official website, download the latest versions. So Winlator allows you to run on Windows on non-Windows systems. So let's just open the Winlator application, and here you can just create the container like on the AXA Gear. Click on a plus button, and then here click on a check icon to create one. So I've already created 3 container in here. So let's say on this one right here, you can just click on a play button, and this will show you a Windows container or Windows like screen like this, and you can just copy your AXA file into the download folder maybe, and then run it. And that's it. Now you know how to open AXA files on Android in 2025. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and also click on a thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.